What's up, guys? Chris from Road Cartel here, and talking about the oil pan for your LT engine. In my case, I'm doing an LT4, and I didn't want to spend the $500 on a Holley oil pan, so I went to Speed Engineering and I got one of their pans. And I just want to talk about it, and just kind of doing the open box thing right now and going through all of it, and we'll talk about the quality. I don't have another I don't have another oil pan to compare this to, so I don't know the difference in quality from the Holley pan, the Holley LT pan versus the Speed Engineering. And this is the one I got, and it seems to be made pretty well. Comes with almost everything you'd need, and we'll kind of go through it, what it comes with, and we'll start setting it up. So I kind of got ahead of myself. I just started to see how this thing goes. This is way different than the LS oil pan. As you can see, on the LS oil pan, the pickup tube is connected to the oil pump on the LS, whereas this is way different. So here's the pickup tube, and it goes through an internal thing here, and then there's supposed to be a gasket here, so something like this. And then on the engine side, you've got this guy here. This is here's your oil pump here, and it just connects from here to here, and picks up through here and connects and goes like that. Holy crap, way different from the LS. I was concerned, this gasket, does that, hopefully I get this right, so that way we don't lose any oil pressure from there. Or it seems like GM went back to its old days, because there is no oil pan gasket. Here you got to go to GM, or you could probably buy this on Amazon, but this is now your new oil pan gasket. There's no longer that metal rubber gasket anymore. So we're just gonna put this throughout here. As you can see, here's the original gasket. Unless I'm wrong, unless the motor I bought is, unless unless I just got somebody's gasket, they just did this job. But this looks factory, and I've done some research on the interweb for the different gasket, and people, there is no oil pan. I'm learning there's no oil pan gasket. It's literally, this is your gasket now for LT engines. And so we're gonna go on and start doing the assembly here, and show you what it comes with. And it's a pretty decent kit. I think I might have already lost a bag of bolts. I don't recall whether or not if it came with the bolts, or if you have to reuse them. On the LS, I'm pretty sure they gave you the oil pan bolts, but hopefully I just kind of stuck them underneath there. But anyway, let's go on to the next phase. I'll kind of show you what it came with, and then we'll start putting this together.